Hey folks, welcome back. It's Rahana here. So, you know how creating ads can sometimes be a total headache? Well, today I'm reviewing AdCreative.ai, a tool that promises to take that pain away and help you create killer ads in no time. Sounds interesting, right? Let's check it out. So, what makes AdCreative.ai so special? In a nutshell, it's like having your own personal team of designers and marketers powered by AI, working 24/7 to create high-converting ad creatives for you. Whether you're running campaigns on Facebook, Google, or other platforms, AdCreative.ai takes the guesswork out of ad design and gives you data-driven, optimized ads in just a few clicks. Now, if that doesn't already have you intrigued, you've got to check it out for yourself. I've dropped a link in the description where you can sign up for a free trial. Seriously, give it a try and see how much easier your ad creation process can be. Alright, let's dive into why AdCreative.ai is hands down one of the best tools out there for digital marketers. First, it's all about efficiency. Imagine being able to create dozens of high-quality ad variations in minutes instead of hours. With AdCreative.ai, you can generate multiple creatives tailored to your specific audience and platform, saving you tons of time and effort. But it's not just about speed. AdCreative.ai uses advanced AI to analyze what works best in your industry. It leverages thousands of data points to suggest ad designs that are more likely to convert, meaning you're not just throwing ads out there and hoping they stick. You're making data-backed decisions that can seriously boost your ROI. And here's the kicker. The AI continues to learn and improve over time, so your ads get better and better with every campaign. Whether you're a small business owner, a solo marketer, or part of a larger team, AdCreative.ai gives you the edge you need to stay ahead of the competition. So why settle for mediocre ads when you can have high-performing, AI-optimized creatives at your fingertips? AdCreative.ai is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone serious about digital marketing. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the difference for yourself. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today. You've got nothing to lose and a whole lot to gain. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more tips and reviews. Catch you in the next one.